Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the resonance circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. Resonance circuit solved problem number 2. First we will see the statement of the problem. A series RLC circuit with quality factor Q equal to 250 is resonant at 1.5 megahertz. Find the frequency at half hour point and also bandwidth. So the quality factor is given Q equal to 250. Resonant frequency is given F naught equal to 1.5 megahertz, that is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. We need to find the bandwidth as well as the half hour frequency at the half hour points. First we will find the bandwidth. Bandwidth we'll find from the quality factor. Quality factor is given. From that we can easily find the bandwidth. Quality factor Q equal to F naught divided by F2 minus F1. Right. From that you interchange these two parameters. F2 minus F1 equal to F naught divided by Q. This F2 minus F1 is nothing but a bandwidth. Bandwidth is nothing but difference between the upper half hour frequency and lower half hour frequency. So F naught value is given 1.5 into 10 to the power 6. Q is given 250. So by simplifying we got 6000 Hz. So F2 minus F1 equal to 6000 Hz. So that is nothing but bandwidth. Bandwidth equal to F2 minus F1 equal to 6000 Hz. Now we'll see the frequency at the half hour. Frequency of the half hour means F1 into F2. That is the frequency at the half hour. So we know the formula F1 into F2 equal to F naught square. Formula is available. F naught value is given 1.5 megahertz. So 1.5 into 10 to the power 6 into square. So while square it got 2.25 into 10 to the power 12. So the frequency at the half hour is 2.25 into 10 to the power 12. So in this video we calculated the bandwidth and frequency at the half hour. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.